Yes, Jump Nation family, what is cracking? Welcome to today's 2-minute tutorial Tuesday where, you know what, I'm gonna promise you that I'm gonna stick within the 2 minutes, guys, because I have the perfect video for any beginners out there who want to skip like I do, want to have those slick transitions, those combinations, that effortless look with your jump rope. So if you're interested in learning more, stick around after this intro and we're gonna get it as always. Peace.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Right guys, welcome back. So before we get straight into this video, if you are new to Rush Athletics TV, do be sure to smash that subscribe button and join the hottest fitness community across the world today. And do be sure, if you're looking around for skipping ropes, to grab yourself the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. This is the Rush Athletics Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope. We have another 3 to 4 lines of ropes now online available in stock. If they tickle your fancy, just get online, check them out and see what's best for you. We have a range of colors and different styles of ropes to accommodate all targets and body shapes and styles of skipping. So head online to my website, rushathletics.co.uk, and use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. Right, so let's get straight into this video, guys. I'm gonna put 2 minutes on the clock right now. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna stick within it. So here we go. So this is what this topic is about, right? I'm gonna get you guys nailing your timing, getting it down to a point where it is super slick, super effortless, and that anyone that's gonna watch you skip is gonna know you've been doing it for a very long time, right? So if you follow this channel closely, guys, I've always talked about using mirrors and videos in kind of pursuit of trying to get to this professional level of skipping, right? To get the most out of your workouts and be as efficient as possible. So hopefully you guys are already using these tips, but the third one that I really want to highlight today is the use of slow motion video and how you really need to kind of detect where you're going wrong in your techniques, right? So the other day I was looking at some of my kind of playback or kind of my B-roll footage that I was taking whilst I was skipping, and what I really noticed was when I put it down into slow motion, just how effective it was, just kind of watching that slow motion just to see how good my timing was. You can get your timing down to a split second, which means that you jump just before that rope passes under your feet. That is pure and effortless timing. That is what is gonna make your combinations and transitions look super, super cool. So what you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna head back, you're gonna go train, you're gonna put your phone camera on the floor, wherever it is, and now most of the time, most of these things have super slow-mo, right? So I want you to put it into super slow-mo kind of mode, and I want you to basically make sure you can see your feet and the rope passing beneath it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back, you're gonna check the playback, and you're gonna see exactly when you're jumping as this rope comes underneath your feet, right? As it passes through your feet. So make sure that you are only jumping when that rope is a split second. Like I'm talking milliseconds just before passing under your feet. If you're jumping well above, well before the rope comes down, it means your timing is too, you're just off, right? You're kind of jumping too early. You're being inefficient because especially if you're doing something like a double under, if you're jumping well before that rope comes under, then you're already gonna come back down for that second revolution. You're gonna screw up the whole thing. So that is one key tip. And that is today's 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, guys. It may sound super simplistic, it may seem too easy, it may seem like no one's gonna do it, but believe me guys, I've been doing it and it's the reason why I'm at the level that I'm at today. And it just means that when you can get the perfect timing done, it means you can get all the tricks done, it means that you can get that effortless flow and look like a professional. And again, that is what this channel is all about, guys, to get you skipping like bosses. So I'm gonna be sharing all these kind of small tips, the things that not many people talk about on the internet, and hopefully it helps you. So do comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm not the best at keeping to these 2 minutes, guys, but I think I nailed it this time. And yeah, get ready for a lot more fire tutorials coming up this week. So guys, without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace. Yo, if you're still around, family, just wanted to let you know that we've got some new fresh merch online, so I love it if you could go online and continue your amazing support. First of all, we have this new snapback online. This is the classic RA snapback. It has the yellow logo on the front, then we have the pulse line, and then also this like cool little rubber tag on the back, TRWF it says. Then we've also restocked our first edition of snapbacks, which were really popular. And then last but not least, we have the icon ropes back online as well, every single colorway. So if you missed it the first time round on that pre-order. They are now back. All my kind of American supporters out there who are waiting for it on Amazon, it should be touching down later this week, so be a little bit more patient and it will be there. But otherwise guys, thank you again, love you, appreciate you, hope you have a nice week, and I'll catch you around for some more fire tutorials. Fly high, fly strong.